Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to remote start a Nissan Sentra. Begin by confirming the vehicle is parked in park and the key fob is on you. Next, stand within range and ensure doors are closed and the hood is latched. Press and hold the lock button, then press the remote start button for a few seconds until the lights flash. I will walk you through safety checks and common troubleshooting tips. Start by standing within the fob's effective range and facing the vehicle so you can see its response. Press lock once to secure the Sentra, then immediately press and hold the remote start button for about 3 seconds until lights blink and the engine fires. If nothing happens, cycle the lock and try again, checking for any warning lights on the dash. I will also note useful habits to prevent false starts. If the Sentra refuses to start, scan the dashboard first for inhibiting alerts such as an open door or maintenance light. A weak 12V battery often blocks remote start, so test voltage or try jump starting the car manually. Also inspect the key fob for corrosion or a low battery and confirm remote start is enabled in vehicle settings. I will share quick checks and when to call a dealer for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.